I would sure love to buy an e-bike, but I can't afford one of those. So that brings me here. This is an 80cc engine that I got for $240 from Superstore, believe it or not. Like, the kit is pretty good, it's all complete. It does have a couple issues though. The spark plug threads were kind of stripped out when I got it. Like, they were full of paint and the spark plug wouldn't thread in there. Fuel filter leaks too. But other than that, like, it comes with grips and everything, comes with a speedometer, comes with a gas tank, engine, muffler, extra chain sprocket, everything you need. So in this video, we're gonna be getting a couple reactions from people, what they think of it, because this thing turns heads like crazy, and do a top speed test and do some other stuff too. It's gonna be fun. Stick around. The looks you get from people are so funny. First off, I'm one to ride go-karts and quads and dirt bikes and everything in the neighborhood and on the streets. And most people are okay. If you smile and wave at them, they're okay. Some people get really, really butthurt and they'll chase you in their vehicle and do dangerous things just to tell you that you shouldn't be doing that. So with this bike, it's legal. And you get a lot of weird looks from people, but it's very liberating to know that this is legal. Actually, I think it has to be under 50cc, but nobody knows. And you know you're not in the wrong. You're allowed to do this, so it's pretty sick. Oh yeah, and there's no way you're getting a photo radar on one of these things because you don't have a license plate. Okay, so I have my girlfriend Sarah trying it out for the first time right now. Let's see what she says. That thing just gets smoke on the bottom.
Don't use the throttle! Don't use the throttle!
No, I didn't say that.
Can I use the throttle at all?
Yeah, of course. It's really smoking. Okay, here she comes for the flyby. Not bad, she's probably doing 30, 35. All right, Nate Lizard's taking her for a spin.
Hold the clutch.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
You're gonna hold the...
What do you think of
You
it?
slow down, otherwise the engine
Yeah,
is trying to
it
walk
keeps you
in.
going, yeah.
I asked
sick.
him, I said, does he know how to brake?
No,
He
you
rides
don't
a
need-
bike, he knows how
You don't
to
need
brake.
brakes. That's sick.
Yeah, buddy. On to the next. Okay, this is probably a really bad idea, but I'm gonna let my sister try the motorized bicycle now. Like, normally that wouldn't be a big deal. This is my older sister we're talking about, so it's not like she's too young to ride it, but she's just so insanely crazy and crashes things and falls off a lot of things. So this bike may only live another 10 minutes or so. We'll see. All right, Sasquatch, come on out of the tree and I'll give you a lesson on how to ride it.
Hold on. You guys, you f***ed up my video. Hey, how's it going? I am part of the tree part of the ship.
Come on.
I like turtles and big bums. I like turtles.
Okay.
How do you ride it?
So here's the clutch. So you're gonna basically just ride it like a normal bike, but this is the clutch, the lower one. So you gotta pull the clutch in and ride it. So you gotta pedal about running speed. And once you're running speed, you let the clutch out and that'll start the engine.
The whole time? Whoa!
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, keep it held in.
Hold on.
So the only time you let the clutch out is when you want the engine to be running.
So right now?
Yeah. Okay, now try your brakes. This is what I'm talking about, watch this. She is gonna get hit by a car. She might not make it around the block.
What?
Because she's crazy.
I just don't want her to die.
Here comes crazy. Pull it in all the way. You didn't pull it in all the way.
Aw, what earbud? Hopefully that's your cell phone breaking. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Did you forget about the clutch?
No.
So I knew something would break. So what do we break here today? Just the earbuds?
That's good.
At least the bike's okay. Hey, what do you think of the new bike?
I think I'm gonna get one of those myself and jam it up.
Thanks for watching, you sons of bitches.
James. No.
Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next one. No, that's not right. Thanks for watching, you sons of bitches. Anything I want to say? Oh, if you made it this far, that means I'm doing good with the video. It means I kept it exciting. Let me know in the comments. I just figured out I've been playing with gas mix. I got this thing to go faster now too. Look forward to the next few videos. That's all I'm going to say.